The Hobby Tiger H301S Ranger is a precision GPS, altitude hold, and camera drone. With included GPS and altitude hold functions, the H301S Ranger is a stable drone for any flyer. Single key takeoff and landing with every aspect of control at your fingertips. The GPS function allows for smooth flights, constantly searching for a GPS signal, stable hovering, and automatic record of the home point at takeoff. The return to home function can be triggered one of three ways. 1. Pushing the return to home button on the remote. 2. Battery signal too low. Or 3. Controller signal lost. Each will trigger the drone to return to its home location. Preparing for first flight. Step 1. Turn on drone. Step 2. Turn on remote control. 3. Push the left joystick up, then pull it back down. When all lights begin blinking, the remote is successfully paired to the drone. Wi-Fi pairing. To pair the Wi-Fi of the drone with your device, simply go into the settings and select the Hobby Tiger Wi-Fi. Gyroscope calibration. Move the left joystick to the 11 o'clock position and the right joystick to the 1 o'clock position. When gyroscope is calibrated, the camera will move up and down. Compass calibration. Front lights will be blinking red and white alternately. Rear lights will be blinking blue and red alternately. Pick drone up from the ground and rotate 360 degrees. Then turn the drone facing down and rotate again 360 degrees. Set drone back on a level surface and it will search for GPS. Once GPS is found, rear lights will be solid blue, front lights will be solid white.